Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Yummy Brown of Yommycrochetlogy, and today's tutorial is this cute big bow scrunchies that is so feminine and perfect for summer. I love the color. It's just simply beautiful. So if you like my content that talks about crochets and styling our crochet pieces, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. So these are the things that we will be needing for this project. I have here a gradient yarn. It is Cotton King Twirls, 100% cotton, and 3.75mm hook. That's our working hook. And then a hair tie, a scissors, glue, and some beads of your choice, and needles, and a tiny sized hook. So my hair tie it has no connector. In that way, it's a lot sturdy and there's no chances of this one snapping inside your crochet stitches. So attach your yarn to hair tie and make a chain 1, 2, and 3, and make double crochet. So make double crochets as many as you need to. Keep pushing the stitches towards you to give space to new stitches. The more stitches the better, so there's no chances of the hair tie showing from the inside once you're done with the hair scrunchie. So keep doing the double crochet until you reach at the end of the scrunchies. So I'm quite at the end of the hair scrunchies now. I just have to do more pushing or pushes of the stitches towards me to see if it's enough. If it's not enough, always add more double crochets if needed be. And then we will slip stitch to the chain 3 that we made at the beginning of the row. So this is what it looks like right now. It's really cute already. Chain 1, 2, and in the next stitch make 3 double crochet in the same stitch. So that's 1, 2, and 3. And then after your 3rd double crochet, get your small size hook, insert the hook to the beads like so, and then pull that yarn inside the beads, okay, something like this, and go back to your working hook. 3 double crochet in the same stitch. So we increase in this stitch, another 3 double crochets in the same stitch. And then in the stitch after that, make a single crochet. And then chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then single crochet again in the stitch after that. Again, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and single crochet in the stitch after that. Again, make 3 double crochet in the stitch after it. That's 1, 2, 3. Insert your beads to your hook, pull that yarn inside the beads, go back to your working hook, and make 3 double crochets in the same stitch. So that's 1, 2, 3. This is what it looks like. The pattern goes a big petal and chain 5, another chain 5, and in the big petal, and then single crochet in the stitch after that and continue the pattern. So you keep doing that pattern and make sure to leave at least 50 to 60 stitches. So I'm here more than halfway finished. Okay, I will add one more here, one more petal, and the rest should be vacant. That's for our ribbon, so we'll not add more petals in there. So this is my last petal. So chain 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then single crochet in the next stitch. And again, repeat the chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And single crochet in the stitch after that. And this time the petal, which is 3 double crochets in the same stitch. So that's 1, 2, 3, and then beads, and pull that yarn inside, and again go back to your working hook and 3 double crochet in the same stitch. So that's 1, 2, 3, then single crochet. So this is the last petal. After that we can snip off our yarn. We have to leave a few stitches undone, so we have space for our ribbon. For the big ribbon, make a slip knot however you're comfortable in making one, and then chain of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we have 10 chain here, and then change your hook into smaller size, which is 3mm hook, and then half double crochet in the stitch after that, and so on until you reach at the end foundation chain. So we're here at the end, and then chain 1, turn your work, and this time we will start the pattern. So single crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in the next, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, so that's how our pattern goes. Alternate single crochet, double crochet, and if you end single crochet, you have to chain 2 and start a double crochet in the next row. Okay, so we end up with single crochet here, so we have to start a double crochet in the next row. So turn your work and make a double crochet. So that's 1 double crochet and then single crochet in the next. So you have to make as many rows as you would like, or as many rows needed for you to have a long tape for your ribbon. So this is a personal preferences. The longer you want or the shorter you want, it's really up to you. Okay, so I'll keep doing this until I'm happy with the length of my tape to make into a ribbon. Okay, so once you are also happy with your tape, then I'll meet you then at the end of that row. So we're here at the end of this tape for us to use as a ribbon. So I'll just continue the pattern of double crochet, single crochet, and double crochet. And we can cut off the yarn. So my tape is how long it is, and it is, so as you can see, we didn't use the entire gradient cake. Not really, it didn't even change colors yet. So it is 26 inches long. And then find the half and fold it this way. Make sure they're both aligned at the end tip, and fold it this way. I'm not really good in making ribbons, but if you have a better way in making a ribbon into perfection, you can always, by all means, proceed in doing that. But in my case, I just do the easiest way I can to look like a ribbon. And in adjusting it, you just have to pull it slowly and make sure there's still the same length in the ribbon part and also the tail of the ribbon. And then I'll just squeeze them like that. And then grab your yarn, and we will just twine them in the center to keep the ribbon from moving around. And grab your needle and yarn, and we can start sewing the big ribbon to our scrunchies. So secure the ribbon by sewing the ribbons. Make sure you get all the ribbons tip, sew them, attach them together, and then once you're happy, attach it to the scrunchies itself. And I have this one here. It's a rustic looking buttons, so I'll attach it in the bow to look more vintage looking. And yeah, just attach it the way or however you feel like. And then we will cut off the yarns and sew clean off the ribbon or scrunchies. And then grab your glue the ends to secure them. So this is our scrunchies now. It's really cute, and I caught myself using these little scrunchies all the time. It's so cute. I need to make more of this. Let me know if you tried these little scrunchies. I would love to see all your works. Don't forget to tag me. And that's all for today, lovelies. I hope to see you again sometime next week, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section what you think of this cute big bow scrunchies. So thank you so much, and goodbye.